Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a mining rig with NVIDIA step by step clearly. Begin by researching the current cryptocurrency market to understand which coins are most profitable to mine. Choose your preferred GPU model from NVIDIA. Ensure the chosen model matches your budget and mining goals. Gather all necessary components. You will need a motherboard that supports multiple GPUs. Select a compatible power supply with enough wattage for your entire rig. Acquire a CPU and its cooler, as well as RAM for your motherboard. Consider an SSD for faster boot times and improved system performance. Purchase a mining frame or create one using materials like wood or metal. Assemble the motherboard, CPU, cooler, and RAM onto the mining frame. Install the power supply, ensuring proper cable management to avoid clutter. Slot in each NVIDIA GPU onto the motherboard carefully. Connect power cables from the power supply to each GPU. Attach PCIe risers if the motherboard requires them for GPU installation. Connect all required peripheral devices, like a keyboard and monitor, for initial setup. Power on the rig and enter the BIOS setup. Configure BIOS settings to ensure the system recognizes all installed GPUs. Save the changes and exit BIOS. Install your preferred operating system, usually Windows or a Linux distribution tailored for mining. Download and install necessary drivers for your NVIDIA GPUs. Select mining software that is compatible with your chosen cryptocurrency. Configure your mining software with your wallet address and pool information. Start the mining software and monitor the performance. Make adjustments to settings as needed for optimal efficiency. Regularly check for driver updates and software upgrades to maintain performance. Ensure adequate cooling for your rig to prevent overheating. Consider joining a mining community for tips and support as you progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.